Mandek Lake. It's a city called Livno. It's really beautiful. You can see behind me there are a lot of people swimming. I think you can even boat. You can't see it, it's just down here. But it's really nice and cool here. We were first on the other side, but we couldn't approach the lake from there. There is some construction works going on. I think in future it might be the way to the lake from the other side as well. But anyway, just check it out this. I think the drone footage is gonna look amazing on this place because the mountains and the forest, the kind of trees that are surrounding the lake, is just priceless, really priceless. So let's get up and check how it looks from up there. Well guys, that's it as of Mandek trip. I hope you're gonna like you like the footage that I done with the drone. Unfortunately my iPhone overheated. It's really hot out here. It's approximately 35 degrees. It's really hot. So I had to land the drone. I would continue filming, but anyway, I think I had enough. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this place. Now we're gonna head towards the place where wild horses are just roaming around, and my wife told me there is some small lake as well. So anyway, let's see, hopefully we're gonna get lucky and see these wild horses. We've been planning that trip for a long time, and now is the chance. So stay tuned next week, wild horses. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, share if you don't mind. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you so much.